Hey guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to BTC live stream. Okay, let's start. Just give me, let me just post it on the sorted. Okay, so first of all, welcome again. And let's start with the daily analysis. Where my daily analysis? Waterfall, right? Waterfall. And did you guys capture it? Hope you have made some money out of it. Hey, so like we discussed last time, oh, so it has closed below the crucial resistance line, which should have acted as a support line. So that's close below and no recovery. But what is possible right now that it has taken support from 200%. This is 200%. Okay. So let me show you this without any uh, get me out that already. That's daily chart. Okay. Let's first get the Fibonacci levels that these are the Fibonacci levels that we are following, and this is our final target, eh, for now, right? So what it is doing, so it so likewise from here, if we talk about it touched 200%, then retraced till 161%, then it touched 227%, now retraced till 200%. It might be possible that now it goes to this level, but this is so far assumption. Okay, not assumption, the probability. Okay, this is the probability right now because I have a theory to support that this was the level, right? 200%, that is 99,300. It has still manages to so far is above this level, right? So as long as it is above this level, it can be bullish. So might be possible if it closes like this, then we can have a green candle and it may touch this level. But what if it doesn't? Then what will happen? Let's do one thing from this level to this level for now. Okay. 1x. Okay, so this is the condition. These are the levels for now. So you can mark these levels if you want. 1,14,898. That is the final target. So right now we took the resistance from 1,06,134. Next level is 99,267, where it is taking the support right now, or you can say precisely 99,300, and then 97,236. Okay, if it closes below this one, no, then this can be achieved. This level can be only if closes below. These are daily levels, okay? Not hourly level. Hourly are different. We are going to talk about it. Okay? So that's right now the scenario is what I feel. It can do something like this. If it is still like doji, this is nothing but the profit booking, and that's why it was very sharp. People started selling it. Yeah. So that was also a candle, right? I mean, but still it manages to go on the next level. The reason is now Bitcoin is almost like in overbought condition. So it has to slightly cool down, and that is also the effect of Fed meeting as well. Yeah. Yesterday was the Mr. Powell speech. He mentioned that the instead of four, there will be only two interest rate cuts. One was done in September, and that is due in December. No more further interest rate cuts in next year. So that has created a panic in the stock market and in crypto market as well, because these are things mostly dependent from US, right? So it shows inflation effect on US economy. That is the reason of this candle. But in trading, news may be a reason, but technicals would be followed, right? So if let's say for the daily move, if there has to be a correction for let's say here, then it will happen. News may be the reason for it, but technicals would be followed. Okay. And let me show you one more thing. Day before yesterday, we didn't do the live trading yesterday, but day before yesterday, these were the lines that I created for you before leaving the stream, and it was open in live. These were the levels, and you see sharp decline from here, and it kept on doing it then. Okay, so what happened? We did this, that this is the level for the upside, but it didn't give a proper closing below above this level, and then it was a sharp decline altogether. So that's how the level works. Now that's how we know. That's how we become astrologer of the charts. Yeah? And look at it. It was respected once, it gave a breakout, retest, and then sharp fall. This was the beautiful sharp fall, right? And that's how these level works. I'm removing all these, not required now. And How beautifully how beautiful our indicator captured those signals. The most beautiful capture was this. I had an entry in this one only, and that's all. I didn't carry it too long, but it is like 6,000 points. I exited somewhere in this candle, so yeah, still it was 4,000 points. And in buy signal, I don't know, I didn't encash this opportunity, but it is 900 points, and there was a sharp sell signal here today, right? And look at it, 3,300 points. These are more than enough capture. Okay, so this is our hourly chart already. So in last 3 4 live stream, we discussed about these levels: T1, T2, T3. Current target this, it hasn't achieved, but till target 3 were achieved, and we saw a correction, and this is the correction of this move, of this move. This is the correction. This is the correction of this move. Okay. So what we are going to do, this is a chart, right? I am deleting it. Let's put it on 1 hour chart. Let me show you where it is and where it can go. Now this would be on hourly chart. Yeah. Okay. So it is taking support on 61.8%. So this is make or break level. If this level breaks, this is the target. If it doesn't, then upper side targets will be opened. Okay. We've discussed many times about this, that how it is make or break level. Okay. If you want to know it again, please mention it in comments. I will do it. Okay. So now if we get proper closing again above this level, 1,01,047, then it can become bullish. This would be the level for upside move. Okay. If it manages, this can be target, this can be target, this can be target, and rejection as well. This can be called target come rejection levels. And upper side, if it is through, then you'll see these targets. It can go till 1,14,000 or 1,20,000 as well. But these has to hourly closing. Okay, because this we are discussing on hourly closing. Yeah. It is kind of sideways right now. It is managing to close above this level. It may be creating higher highs now, because in this fall it hasn't created another lower low, so it can change the direction now. That's what I'm hoping. ओके, सो फॉर माय हिंदी कस्टमर्स, तो गाइस जैसे हमने डिस्कस किया था कि ये लेवल्स आ सकते हैं, टारगेट 1 2 3 अचीव्ड, ये हमारा फिलहाल का टारगेट था। उसके बाद टारगेट 5 एंड फाइनल टारगेट्स। ओके, उसमें अभी के लिए ये वाला एक मेक और ब्रेक लेवल है 61.8%। ये लेवल डिसाइड करता है कि ये ट्रेंड कंटिन्यू होगा, ऐसे ये ट्रेंड कंटिन्यू होगा यहाँ तक, या फिर ये होगा। ये होता है तो ये कहलाएगा करेक्शन, और ये नहीं कहलाएगा, ये कहलाएगा करेक्शन। इस मूव का जो ये मूव आया था, ये वाला जो है ये करेक्शन फेस होगा। ओके, आई मीन इस लेवल से, नोट में ज़्यादा ही नीचे बना दिया, ये नहीं है, यहाँ से। ओके, ये करेक्शन होगा और नीचे जाएगा तो कंटिन्यूएशन होगा, तो वो डिसाइड करने वाला लेवल यही है। ओके, यही 61.8% डिसाइड करता है। बट फिलहाल को देख के लग नहीं रहा है कि नीचे क्लोजिंग होगी, बट वी डोंट नो, राइट? वी ओनली कैन predict that this can happen basis on the levels, etc. But right now it is in the sideways condition, right? This is and this, these both are the sideways one. Okay, इसके ऊपर क्लोजिंग होगी तो भागेगा, बढ़िया भागेगा प्राइस, ठीक है। और यही हमने बात की है, यहाँ पर इसके ऊपर क्लोजिंग होती है तो ऊपर जाएगा, और ये फिर उस केस में 61.8% है, ये डिसाइडिंग लेवल होगा कि ये जो मूव आया नीचे वाला, ये इसका करेक्शन है, ये वाला जो है ये करेक्शन है या करेक्शन होगा तो ये ऐसे आ जाएगा। ओके, और ये कंटिन्यूएशन होगा तो ये ऐसे जाएगा 127%, 161% तक भी जा सकता है। और जैसे अभी तक हमने बात की है, अभी तक अपने लेवल्स एज इट इज काम कर रहे हैं, अप टू द मार्क। So that is how it is, and this is on 15-minute chart. क्योंकि देखिए यहाँ पे लोअर लोज लग रहे थे ना सब, अब यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है, हायर हाई लगा है ना? तो हायर हाई लगना अच्छी बात है, राइट? यहाँ पे एक लगाता हूँ, यहाँ तक प्राइस आएगा लग रहा है मुझे ऐसा, और देखते हैं, बाकी उसके बाद देखेंगे इस लेवल के ऊपर, उससे पहले नहीं। हाँ, यहाँ पर भी हायर हाइज दिख रहे हैं हमें। ओके, लेट्स सी अब क्या होता है। मजा आया। ओके, यूएसडी डोमिनेंस बढ़ा था बढ़ रहा है इसके चलते, बट बढ़ तो क्रिप्टो का हो ही रहा है। ओल्ड कॉइन्स की ऐसी तैसी हो रही होगी, हाँ सब ओल्ड कॉइन्स माइनस में है। Oops. No, it's not, it's इंडियन मार्केट ऑल इन रेड। यहाँ पर मिक्स है, ओल्ड कॉइन्स की ऐसी तैसी हुई पड़ी है यहाँ पे भी वाओ। Right, so yeah, that would be deciding level. A million. Let's see how it reacts on this level again. नक्कर। मोमेंटम इज नाउ स्लो बिकॉज ये जो मूव था अपना वही 8 बजे वाला ही था। माय गॉड हाउ दे प्ले। देखो यहाँ से ऊपर क्लोजिंग करके दिखाई एंड देन टॉप डिक्लाइन। इतना गंदा ट्रैप किया लोगों को यहाँ पे। यहाँ पर तो मैं खुद लाइव बैठा था, लाइव एज इन सॉरी इस सिस्टम में बैठा है। हम्म या मैं बोल रहा था ना, लेट्स सी यहाँ पे क्या रिएक्ट करता है। यहाँ पर अब क्या है, हायर हाइज की फॉर्मेशन स्टार्ट हो, है ना? तो दैट्स गुड। यहाँ पे भी हायर हाइज बन रहा है। दिस इज थर्ड हायर हाई, फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड। और इस पे तो है ही 15 मिनट के हिसाब से, है ना? ये वाला तो है ही। इस लेवल पर वी नीड टू सी द प्राइस एक्शन। कुछ 500 पॉइंट्स का मूव है ये भी। यहाँ से प्राइस गिर भी सकता है, ओके? ज़रूरी नहीं है कि ऊपर जाए, क्योंकि ये 61.8% है। ये क्या होता है हमारा डिसाइडिंग पॉइंट। ये जो मूव आया है, ये इसका करेक्शन मूव होगा या ट्रेंड कंटिन्यूएशन होगा, वो यही लेवल डिसाइड करेगा। ओके, लेट्स सी। वॉल्यूम भी ठीक ही है इस कैंडल में, लेट्स सी। मुझे लगता है ये लेवल तो टच होगा, इनकेस नीचे भी आना है ना प्राइस को, इसको टच करने के बाद ही आएगा। बट यहाँ पे एक 50% भी है, वो भी रिजेक्शन का कारण बन सकता है। देखो 50% को टच कर चुका है ना? ये भी एक रीज़न बन सकता है। ये सब रिजेक्शन के लेवल्स हैं, एक्चुअल रिजेक्शन के लेवल्स कम, टारगेट लेवल्स हैं, आई मीन। यहाँ 50% से इसने लिया है। और मुझे लगता है यार 61.8% टच होना चाहिए, तभी नीचे की तरफ बढ़िया कॉल आएगा। ऐसा होता है तो आई और 7 दिस ओके, स्लोली एंड स्टडीली पहुंचने की कोशिश तो कर रहा है ना। Hey Nelson, how are you? Welcome to the live stream, man. Okay, so far 50% only, but let's see. Yeah, still higher highs. जब तक ये हायर हाइज है थोड़ा सा बुलिश है. Yeah? Yeah, I'm doing well. I'm doing well. Thank you. Love ya kata. Doing well. Ask. Here is the list of data. ओके, ये बियरिश है जब तक इस ट्रेंड लाइन के ऊपर है। और इट इज बुलिश, ये बुलिश है जब तक ट्रेंड लाइन के नींद का असर लगता है। नन्नू प्यार न करना। So far लग रहा है हायर हाइज हैं, बट दिस टाइम इट शुड ब्रेक दिस हाई। ये तो हायर हाई बन रहा है, बट ये लेवल भी ब्रेक होना चाहिए, नहीं तो क्या होगा, ये आ गई नैरो रेंज, है ना। इसका ब्रेकडाउन या ब्रेकआउट होगा ही होगा। 15 मिनट। दो ग्रीन एक रेड, फिर दो ग्रीन एक रेड। नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट वुड दैट बी, हैज टू बी अ ग्रीन। इस पैटर्न को देख के तो लगता है इट हैज टू बी अ ग्रीन। इसके नीचे क्लोजिंग होगी तो फिर पॉसिबिलिटी है और नीचे जाने की। मार्क कर लेते हैं। हम्म, अल्लाह। Okay, it's trying to come down again. Okay, it's touching the support trend line. Now let's see. I think it should go up. And if it's not, right? This Thursday should be trending. Actually, yesterday was a good move, so what I feel it can be sideways today. Just digesting the yesterday's move. क्लोजिंग बिलो वॉल्यूम नहीं है यार, दैट इज अ स्लो मोमेंटम राइट, द वे कैंडल अभी। Selling continues. You can think of sell side below this, not before that. इसके नीचे एक पोजीशन ट्राई कर सकते हैं, उससे पहले नहीं। ये तो हटा देते। सिग्नल क्यों नहीं आया अभी? तो गड़बड़ है हाँ, तो गड़बड़ है। अब एक सेल बन रहा है यहाँ पर, इसी कैंडल का आप फाइल लेके सेल ट्राई कर सकते हैं। स्टॉप लॉस छोटा सा ही है, ऊपर जाएगा तो एटलीस्ट लॉस नहीं होगा, राइट? और नीचे जाएगा तो प्रॉफिट बहुत है। ये मैंने सेटिंग्स 5 मिनट के हिसाब से तो सिग्नल आया है, बट एनीवेज जरूरत नहीं है, हम ऑलरेडी जानते हैं कि जो सिग्नल है, राइट? ये ट्रेंड लाइन पे एक बार देखते हैं, राइट? ये वाली, ये टूट गई तो फिर ये वाला लेवल आएगा, ये वाला आता है, फिर ये एंगल नहीं। ओ भाई, क्या ट्रेंड लाइन को टच किया है? 0% के नीचे लेवल्स आ गए हैं, प्राइस का आना बाकी है। लग रहा है 1-2 दिन बिकवाली चलने वाली है मार्केट में। ग्रेट, बढ़िया जा रही है ये सेलिंग। ओके, तो ये कहाँ तक जा सकता है अब उसकी बात करते हैं। तो इसके लिए मैं एक काम करता हूँ, ड्राइंग हटाऊंगा तो बात बनेगी क्या। ड्राइंग हटा देता हूँ मैं यहाँ से एक बार। अब नीचे के लेवल्स देख लेते हैं। तो इस लेवल के नीचे 100% के नीचे अपना जो बाय है, पोजीशन जो हमारी इस कैंडल पे है, और हमने एसएल भी सेम ही रखा है। अब हम कितना टारगेट सोच रहे हैं उसकी बात है। तो फर्स्ट तो 100% ही है। इसके बाद जो हमें देखना है, तो ये लेवल और बनता है तो यहाँ तक चले थे, यहीं देख कैसे रिएक्ट करता है। ग्रीन कैंडल इज फाइन। ग्रीन कैंडल इज 100% और 114%। उम्मीद तो इस लेवल तक है। ये अपने टारगेट कम सपोर्ट लेवल है। नहीं आए तो रेंज में साइड रह सकते हैं यहीं से। ओके, 100 तक। ओह, रिस्क रिवार्ड रेशियो इज 24%। ऐसा कितना कम हुआ ये। 440 पॉइंट कम हुआ है। तो फर्स्ट टारगेट यही है अपना। यहाँ पर देखना पड़ेगा प्राइस कैसे रिएक्ट करता है। और अपना एसएल क्या बोला था मैंने इसमें। ओनली 50 पॉइंट एसएल। ओनली 50 पॉइंट एसएल वर्सेस 780 पॉइंट्स। हाँ, ये तो सही रिस्क रिवॉर्ड बढ़िया ट्रेड मिल गया भाई। ने लिया है तो बताना प्लीज़। हाँ, किसी ने ये ट्रेड लिया हो। ए नेल्सन, डिड यू टेक दिस ट्रेड मैन? इफ यू आर स्टिल ऑन दी स्ट्रीम। I'm will dump till 92K. Yeah, it can be. It can be. On hourly chart, marking those yellow, those can be the potential. Uh, Now let's see what can be the support point. Gonna be the yellow ones are the targets. 1 hour or 4 hour gonna be the same high and low that we have captured. Uh, Oh, uh, okay. It's at the crucial level right now. Have I marked it? Yep, it is. Let me put it back. This is at the crucial level right now. If that is, if that breaks, then possibility is of 98,063. So this intraday trade can gonna be huge if you guys hold it like we discussed on 5 minute. No, if somebody has taken it, gonna be awesome. I think so. This is the first target. It can go up to this target. Okay, so forget about this thing, this green and red. If you have taken the trade, enjoy it. And apart from that, what you can do is use 9 EMA. Yeah. Use 9 EMA for the confirmation or any other EMA. Welcome. So on 15 minutes, if I go, 9 EMA is fine. 5 minutes, 16 or whatever you feel comfortable or if you have used it before. Yeah. Awesome. Yeah, indicator says so. This is the level. So the thing is, this level that is on hourly chart, right? 4 hour and 1 hour. If you are looking at it, then 4 hour candle should be closed below. If it closes around this, then it's gonna be awesome. Then the probability of reaching this level becomes more confident. Okay. And if you look at it on 4 hour, it's perfectly using the 9 EMA, right? It hasn't closed above. So that can use on 4 hour as well. What are, oh, given signal way above it on 4 hours, how many points it is? So far it has kept max it has kept, and another cells about 1 hour. Ah, okay. 1 hour it was sideways in between. There was a false buy signal that was perfect wrap. And then it started falling, getting another. This move, Amruta, this was where we talked about this move that it can fall if it doesn't retain this level. Was the move, and we talked about Tuesday's stream that if it doesn't hold this level, then it can fall. Didn't expect that it can fall this much. But yeah, I mean it's the correction from the higher time frame, because if we look at it, we had this buying going on, right? 1 hour as well. So it needs to do the correction. Yeah. This level is actually would be important. This is where it was taking rejection many times. It is kind of sideways zone between this white, this yellow, or maybe this is this can be a sideways range, and that's gonna be the crucial level. It can fall more if it is a solid closing below this level. Yep, there was a huge liquidity on the upper side. It has happened because of the Mr. Powell's commentary on the interest rate cuts. So market has really taken it negative because there was so much anticipation of the economy and the inflation economy and the inflation pressure. So they when they increased in September, then this was the bullish sentiment started in crypto. Now they said that we won't be doing the 4 interest rate cuts. December one would be the last. No more. They are thinking in 2025, and they clearly said that they can clearly see the inflation because of the Trump's policy. So that was really taken negative, even if it in the worldwide markets. Indian market is also affected by it. So the conversation that going on from last year about the recession, that may be, that may not be a story that can happen. Let's see on 15 minutes. Okay, like I said, below this can be more selling, and this can act as a product, really price action on this level. It might be possible that this kind of move can happen. Perhaps there is, but this was looking like a slow with volume. Then here it comes. Mhm. Perfect. This was and So the first level, where was it? These levels, that green one that we uh, draw, these are just intraday levels. Okay, if somebody wants to book the profit, please go ahead. Or if you want to hold this level, that is also fine. But that is totally up to you. Okay, that already a good move. This was the 100% first target. Second is already done. This is towards third target, and that is the last target. That's for the intraday positions only. Okay, you can book your profit starting now. Totally up to you if you want to wait for this target or this. But like we discussed on the hourly chart, there are further targets available. So it's, if you want to hold it more, that that is totally based on your risk appetite. The green lines I'm talking about. Okay? The yellow ones are from the hourly, uh, 1 hour or 4 hour chart. These targets may be achieved, but will take time. That somebody is seriously dumping it with the volume on 5. I, don't be afraid of one green candle on 5 minutes. That can be profit booking. That can be 15-minute green candle. Okay. And like I said, you can use 9 EMA. Okay. All right. So that's gonna be this white line. Somebody wants to exit on that a position. Mhm. What would be the people's state of mind who have literally bought here? They would be like, oh my god, they are seriously trapped. Already 8,000 points down and still going in. Wow. Third target achieved and deleted. So we need to see how this holds up on this especially bigger level. Bigger time, at least an hour. We need 9 minutes. Okay, 9 minutes it is. Still getting down. Wait, this is definitely a selling pressure. Look at the VIX in last three candles. This is 5 minutes though, but still it is. Wow. Hey Nelson, you can exit if you want, man. The targets we talked about, most of them achieved. Only one green line left. This is the target if you want to hold, or if you want to exit, just exit, okay? Because these were only intraday levels. But you missed the party. What we discussed later. You can rewind and check it out. Okay, that'll be helpful for you. Wow. And it touches the green line. Oh man, it is creating head and shoulder pattern. Ooh la la, ooh la la. Creating head and shoulder pattern. But this is a crucial level. This is a crucial level. Yep, it is the. So if this completes, no, this is the range 94,000. Be done. But I think they will trap people on head and shoulder pattern as well. Quite possible. Let's see, 2 hours left for the candle. How beautifully it has completed 1%. Awesome. This is for longer moves, okay? Uh, Five thousand plus. That that is, and recovery. Profit. Today's high low lows and VWAP all are up. It shows from last about all are up. Wow. These are important. These both white lines are important levels. Oh, okay. This thing. Guys, I'll be back, huh? Looks like momentum has slowed down and not a problem. What RSI is talking about? Oh, it's already at the down. It's already in over zone. The further move would be slow, and if it needs to go down further, will give an upside move and then goes down again. So similarly here, right? It went sideways, then an upper move, and then boom. Similar thing can happen again. Break of this low is important. Hmm. Kazım, lupa, kazım. Hı, geli, geli. Um, and this candle is important now, that green one. So going further, need a closing below. I'm talking about only about this candle only. Na, na. What will happen to our? There is still one left. This was our final target. This should be achieved. We've achieved our all of the target. Why should the final miss? Now it should not miss. So since these have been achieved, remove, remove, moved levels, remove. Okay, this is a true range. This, but why the volume is average? Volume isn't great. Volume is definitely not great on these candles. This is the correct. This is the correct. I have a second thought for it to going till 94,000, or might be it will touch and then regain this level. So if it goes below 97,000, it it has to be perfect. So this, if it goes below this, what is this? 97,345, no? Then so this is and if it goes down and then goes up again, then this is the dream. This can be achieved. This isn't further. Volume is, I mean, I won't consider big volume. It's just average. Just average. Yes, let's say I assume this is the high from yesterday. This line, we already had higher volumes before. This is just average volume. So this usually happens. Correction is either volume would be average or low. Liquidations though skyrocket beyond 1 billion as BTC altcoins lead out heavily again. Yeah, that's what I also think. Bitcoin price crash below on like not the end as an analyst predicts another 52% jump. I agree with it. So this is the 100%. This is the uh, Fibonacci I have drawn from this high to this low. If that happens, then we need to consider the last low, which is this. Okay, fine. Okay, for the selling, 7 minutes gone so far. Finally, after a long time, we had a good call in life. We really had a good call in life. Yep. Mhm. Oh, wait, I think I have calculated levels incorrectly. This is 100%. This is 127%. And this is 161%. This is 227%. And that is 261%. These are the levels. And in between, we have 141%. We don't really bother about 141%. Miscalculated the levels. Sorry for that. This looks, and then we had a breakout of low low. So yeah, this is the low, then that's the high. Mhm. Okay, guys, 6 more minutes, then we can wrap it off for the day. We will like before going, we will again discuss the daily level, hourly level, and intraday levels. Okay. That's good, Amrita, because I mean, after that, it's really aggressive position, to be honest. So the next you can wait for, you can use Fibonacci. Let's say whatever the low is there and to this high. Okay, that's I'm talking about 1 hour chart. So you can like for the long, you can create a position if you want about 23.6% should be buy. A good hourly closing I'm talking about. Okay. And then first target should be 61.8% and look at the price action. Then it can go for 100% and these levels are open 27%, 16%. Till this is on our early about. Okay. Okay. Yep. This can be the support. 200 EMA on 4-hour chart. Wow. Look at it. When it touched last, that was 66,000 and then boom. You should look for this 200 EMA as well. That's around this 96,122 level. 96,256 is the level right now. Really, it's very low. Oh, it's already. Well, all right, guys, it's the time. So daily, I still feel eh, daily chart. If it's not a closing below this, then it would be healthy correction. Yeah, and then it can go up because it was really a good move. It's some correction, right? Because it was literally overbought. It's coming down for some correction. May spend some time here and or maybe still has potential. To go up. Okay, that's about daily. So this is the crucial level that we need a daily closing. Okay, and if that happens, this is 94,104 and 90,500 can be level. And hourly chart Yeah, on hourly hour, all of the targets were achieved for the down, but not today. Let's see. Oh, okay. It's those these can be already chart. Yeah. Want pause the video and note down these levels. So let's say if you want this trend line, just note down the price 9898887 on a trend line. Throw it anywhere you want and double click on it. On coordinates, you just go and type it. Will be exact. Yeah. For example, okay, and it will be on same line. Yeah. How you can draw it. Just pause the video. These are your support and resistance or the targets. Okay. In intraday, what we can, let's assume this is the low. Let's just assume this is the low and this is the high of this trend. So about 23.46%, we can look for a position and 61.8% with the first target. And if it rejects, I mean, that can be your profit booking level, or you can hold the position and it can further go up to 100%. Otherwise, it can be rejected from here. And it can't fall straight away for 10,000. Will go in the lower low positions, higher high. Okay? And for those higher high and lower low positions, this is called correction. Okay, that's all about it today. And yeah, so if there is another low and then price tries to retain these levels, you can drag it down to that level. But I feel for now this is level can change the momentum. And okay, already have. Thank you guys. Have a good day. And if somebody is new to the stream, please subscribe. You too.